Struggling with a stubborn cold and cough? Instead of suppressing symptoms, how about strengthening your body's natural defense? Cold and cough are signs that your immune system is fighting back. Homeopathy supports this process gently and effectively. It helps address the root cause, boosts immunity, and promotes faster recovery, all without side effects. With the right approach, you can recover naturally and build long-term resistance. Want to experience holistic healing? Choose homeopathy for safe and effective relief. Consult a homeopathy expert today.